Welcome to the iGaming channel from the Casino Marketing Shop. This is part of our top 100 iGaming affiliate program review series. Today we're looking at the bet365 affiliates program. Very highly recommended. Bet365, I believe, is the biggest online sports betting brand in the world. They've grown. I actually started working with them when they were a very small company just based in the UK about 20 years ago. Seen them grown into what I believe is the biggest iGaming brand, the most credible iGaming brand globally. Very good company, very highly regarded, very trustworthy, as that's kind of what their reputation is in the murky world of sports betting brands. In the link below in the description, I'll put a link to our top 100 iGaming programs, which is a series that we're currently running. We couldn't actually get signed up to the Bet365 affiliates program, which I know is an issue that many affiliates have. I've seen a couple of people have actually approached me just this year asking me if I could get them onto the program. I sometimes see posts on social media asking people how to get on the program. They're very selective. I didn't get any reasons for why they didn't want me to sign up, but I don't hold anything against them for that. And certainly if I'm building a series on the top 100 gaming affiliate programs, Bet365 is certainly towards the top. Even though I'm not signed up with them, I'm not affiliated. In the interest of credibility, integrity, and as an independent reviewer, I know that many affiliates say Bet365 is by far the best affiliate program that they promote. They are quite a saturated brand in some markets. However, the player values are amazing. They've got a tremendous platform, top quality customer service, lots of offline marketing to support the brand. So very highly recommended. If you can get onto the program, do so. Can be tough to convert, but when it does, the player values and retention is amazing. So they're regarded as the best iGaming affiliate program by many, so I could only strongly recommend them. Like I say, fortunately I couldn't get onto the program now. I hope to do so in the future, but if you can get onto the program and get accepted, I would highly recommend it. If, like myself, you can't get onto the Bet365 affiliates program, I'll put a link in the description below to our top 100 iGaming affiliates program series, and perhaps you can find something better suited than the Bet365's affiliate program. Thanks very much for your time.